Hey guys, Calvin here from Preservation Place. Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect your trays from your harvester. So first thing you're going to want to do is just open her up and remove this right here. Toss that on the side. And just pull these trays out. A little water on top right there. That's fine. We're going to take this and right there you'll see that little red nubbin. You're going to want to push that back like so. So it's in a further back position. You're going to press this right here, which lifts this end up. You push this and that comes up. You do that and you should be able to pull both of those apart, and now your trays are completely disconnected. You can clean them or do whatever to them, clean the inside of your drum. Yeah, so to reconnect it, all you do is take this and this, pop them back together. You should hear them click. You pull, you won't be able to get them apart. You just slide that red nubbin back in there. And pick that up, slide it on in here. Replace your seal. And boom, you're ready to go.